Your remote not working all the time, or having to get closer to the vehicle so it'll work on your Chrysler 300? Let's change the battery first before calling a locksmith or going to the dealership and see if that was a problem. And I'll show you how to do it step by step in this video with no special tools. All right, we're going to change the battery out here on our remote. Simple task, easy to do. You'll need a CR2032 battery to do this. If your keyring is attached, it will need to be removed. But we also need to remove the emergency key blade anyway, so we're going to use that as the tool. With that being said, here's your emergency release, spring loaded. Use your fingernail, pull back, and when you do, you'll notice right in here, there's a little indentation. You can turn around and take the tip of your key in there and use it to pop it open. Notice two halves come apart. I gently push that back down, take your blade or your fingernail, put it up under the battery, and it pops right out. There you go. CR2032, you notice positive side down. Let's go ahead and put it in. Take two halves and we put it back together. Gently squeeze it and it'll snap together. Hey, if you would, give me a thumbs up, comment down below if this video helped you out. Thanks again.